In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share notebooks publicly in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a notebook accessible to anyone with a link, so collaborators, classmates, or clients can view it without asking for permission. First, head to your NotebookLM workspace. Open your browser and go to the NotebookLM site the way you normally do. Make sure you're in the account where your notebook lives, especially if you manage multiple profiles. This keeps everything organized and prevents accidentally sharing the wrong content. Next, open the specific notebook you want to share. Take a quick moment to review its title and contents. If this notebook will be seen by others, consider giving it a clear, descriptive name and scan for anything you don't want public, like personal notes or sensitive data. A 2-minute review now can save confusion later. At the top of the notebook interface, look for the Share button. It typically appears in the header area of the page. Click it to open the sharing options. This is where you control who can access your notebook and how. In the Share settings, change the access to anyone with the link. This option means anyone who has the URL can open the notebook, even if they aren't signed into your account. It's a simple way to distribute read access broadly without managing individual permissions. Keep in mind that anyone with the link does not make your notebook fully public on the open web or easily searchable. It just allows access for anyone who receives the link. If you ever need to tighten access again, you can return here and switch the setting back to restricted. Once you've set access to anyone with the link, copy the link provided. You'll usually see a copy link button or an icon to place the URL on your clipboard instantly. Now your notebook is ready to share wherever you need it. Paste the link into an email, a chat message, a document, or a project hub. A quick tip: if you want extra peace of mind, paste the link into a private or incognito browser window to confirm the view looks right and that the content you intended to share is visible. If something seems off, you can adjust the notebook content or revert the sharing setting at any time. That's all there is to it. Go to NotebookLM, open your notebook, click Share, set access to anyone with the link, and copy the URL. Simple, fast, and ready for your audience.